Boeing has rolled out the first T-7A Red Hawk built for the U.S. Air Force under the Engineering and Manufacturing Development (EMD) phase of the program. These jets are set to be the service's first new advanced jet trainers since the T-38 Talon, which first took to the air more than 60 years ago. Today's rollout ceremony at the Boeing plant in St. Louis, Missouri, saw industry leaders and Air Force officials bring attention to the game-changing attributes that the T-7A is expected to bring to the training pipeline. The first of a planned 351 T-7 is for the service, which Boeing bills as the first aircraft to be fully digitally designed, are due to be delivered to the Air Force at Joint Base San Antonio-Randolph next year. At the same time, the rollout ceremony had a strong emphasis on the legacy of the African-American Tuskegee Airmen, the famed Red Tails of World War II, who are honored in the name and livery of the new trainer. The Tuskegee Airmen are one of the most celebrated units in our Air Force history, and the T-7A honors the bravery and skill of these trailblazers, said Gen. Charles Q. Brown, Jr., Chief of Staff of the Air Force. Like the airmen they were named and painted to pay homage to, the T-7A Red Hawks break down the barriers of flight. At this stage, the relationship between Boeing and Saab on the T-7A program sees the aft section of the trainer built by the Swedish company at its Linköping facility. Before long, however, Saab will start manufacturing these components in the United States at a facility in West Lafayette, Indiana. For now, the first full production T-7A for the Air Force will remain in St. Louis for ground and flight tests before being delivered to Joint Base San Antonio-Randolph, where it will join the 99th Flying Training Squadron, FTS. This unit is currently flying the T-1 that trains pilots destined for the airlift or tanker communities, but which is due to be retired in 2025. The T-7A, meanwhile, is scheduled to reach initial operational capability with Air Education and Training Command in 2024. The fully digitally designed aircraft was built and tested using advanced manufacturing, agile software development and digital engineering technology, significantly reducing the time from design to first flight. This is why the Red Hawk is also designated T-7A as the first U.S. Air Force aircraft designed using the digital approach. Model-based engineering and 3D design tools reduced assembly hours by 80% and cut software development time in half. The aircraft moved from computer screen to first flight in just 36 months, according to the service. T-7A features twin tails, slats and big leading-edge root extensions designed to provide better handling at low speeds, allowing it to fly in a way that better approximates real-world demands and is specifically designed to prepare pilots for fifth-generation aircraft. The aircraft's single engine generates nearly 3 times more thrust than the dual engines of the T-38C Talon it is replacing.